Hey! Hello, everybody. Long time no see. Rabbiteer, Axel, Bluepin. Hey. How's it going, guys? Let's connect these. Alright. What happened to early stream? Had to do some stuff. It's fine, though. All good. Hopefully tomorrow, early stream. Hey, Zippy Zack! Thanks for the sub. 8 months, oh my goodness. Time is flying. Is the game done yet? We don't talk about that here. Seriously. This week's been a little bit weird. I feel like I'm completely off track. So we're gonna try to get back on track. See what the big tasks are to be done. It's probably a good start. Zippy Zack's game is... Oh, did you make a new video? I think I saw some kind of thumbnail. I need to watch it if so. Hey Beth. How's it going? What ya up to? Yesterday was not super productive. Manisha every day. Help me. I need to reach maximum productivity. Oathr, hey. I've also felt very off track recently, trying hard to get back into routine. Yeah, ADHD meds coming soon though. Hope they help. Yeah, apparently they do help. So that'll be nice. New video and release my game? Are you serious? What? Wait, can you drop a link to your game? I'll pin it for today. Maybe you need to drink the 3 cups of coffee every day. I don't know. Maybe. I've never really had coffee. Maybe it will unlock some hidden potential, you know? I mean, I've had coffee, I don't drink it as like my daily routine. Only took me 20 months waiting list. Holy. Did you need to get like an official diagnosis or something? That's a long time. Or maybe they're just very particular. Alright guys, make sure you look at this. I hope it does very, very well. Look at this! Congrats already. Very nice. Let's pin that. Wishlist. Pick up the game. It is free to play. Zippy Zack worked really hard on this for the past couple years, right? Looks very, very good. Fun. And plenty of customization for your characters too. Cool. Very epic. What made you say, did you have like, did you know how much content you wanted to make and then you just like cut it off? Or was it closer to the release date where you're like, okay, I need to wrap it up? One-year wait for diagnosis, and then 20 months after that. Holy. That's insane. I don't think you even need an official diagnosis to get it here. Ooh, items. Oh, nice. Love your little character guy. He's very iconic. I'll try to leave a review as well. I'll pick it up. Alrighty, well, let's see. Unity crashed. Okay. If you know a guy, you can bypass any law, $5 a pill. Come on. It was a I need to wrap it up situation and see if anyone actually wants to play it. Then if people do play it, I'll continue adding content. That makes sense. I'm also finding that I'm getting a lot of good feedback now that it's released, and people are playing it more often. Yes, that's the best feeling. Nice. And you can, yeah, you can change it up accordingly, right? That's good. Compared to maybe the handful of playtesters that you had that were part of the game dev community. Excuse me. So yeah, it is a little bit different. That's good. Excellent. That's exciting. I wonder what updates you'll be doing in the near future. Otherwise, do you have a new game idea you want to work on? The mic muted the sneeze. My plants are safe. You could do season passes. Oathr with the ideas. Alright, yeah. Maybe I'm just confused, like, what do I need to be working on? Ooh. Cool. Sorry, got distracted there for a second. Okay, let's hop into it. Manisha's itching to start a new game. Goodbye, Foxglove. No. I hope I can make Foxglove fun. I'm like really doubting my abilities to make fun games, but we'll see. A new game, not thought much, not a multiplayer game. Fair enough. Fox sucks. His mortal enemy, Fox sucks. No shame in canceling stuff or trying something new. Oh no, I'm still excited about Sophia. I just wish it was going a little bit faster than I hoped. And I need to, like, really polish up the levels so that they're fun. But I do think the game's gonna be pretty pretty good by the time I get to the end of it. Because I know the formula already works, right? It's just a matter of making high quality content. Wallosaurus, hey! Just thought I would say, too many indies get stuck somewhere in a bad thing for a super long time. Yeah, no, that's fair. I have canceled game ideas previously, so I'm not afraid to do it if need be. Daddy Griffin on YouTube. Hello. Oh, that's right. I know what I was working on last week. Did I test it? Place item at point. Let's see. What are you guys up to today? What are you guys working on? Or are we chilling? Blah 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 blah. False. Lots of indies get started with more art style, and it can make it tough to decide not to proceed when prototyping compared to doing that with abstract blank assets. Art can keep people very attached. That is true. That's also true. Very much so. I'm building hands, waking up. I just woke up from a nap, trying to decide what I want to do. Optimizing Unreal Landscape. Nice. I'm going around my neighborhood, letting the air out of everyone's tires. Typical blue pin things. Building hands and failing, by the way. We can exclude the failing part. You'll get there. In preparation for my new side hustle, pumping air in tires for $5. Amazing. Amazing business plan. I think there was like a meme I saw one time where they're like, how to get rich? Go to Walmart, spill something on the floor, slip on their floor, and then try to sue them. Same idea. Cool. So that does work. Lovely. Okay. Okay, wonderful. Checkpoint issue. I think I fixed that, right? Checkpoint. Yeah, it was just saving the wrong thing. I mean, because I changed the level numbers. Yeah. And then one thing can be selected here. Yeah, we're good. We can either brainstorm how the art might look for the cutscenes, or give Flora some ideas so that she can quickly draw them. Or... very important. Okay. America, the land of suing. My dreams of working in America might have been crushed. Canada is a new land of the free, or Australia. Come to Italy, we don't have much money, but we got good pizza. That's a selling point. Code recycle, hey. Before the end of this year, dream is still alive. Nice. I need a good portfolio, so I need AAA games. You want to work for the gaming industry? Okay, I know what to do. Let's... we can do that today. Come on, think. I got a new soundtrack for the forest and the overworld and the new improved merchant theme, which is great. But I feel like a couple of our tracks are a little too serious. So it's hard to see what we need to do differently. Okay, anyways. Why does Canada have a place called British Columbia? GTA 6 is AAA. That is like zero learning and low level grinding. AAA is basically the budget, like compared to indie, right? It's like big teams, big budget. So any of like the games that you play that have huge worlds, GTA, or good, really nice graphics with a lot of content, those are generally AAA, right? Squats TV, hey. Welcome. Oh yeah, I did do quite a couple things last week. Just need to get back on it this week. Well, I do like how satisfying that is, but I might make it a little bit nicer. Hey, Prav, what's up? I've been so unproductive today. You'll fit right in here, don't worry. Excuse me? Let's make a Pomodoro, guys. Put in at least 3 tasks. How about that? And let's try to get at least 3 tasks done today. Make them like relatively... Okay, 1 to 3 tasks that you think are possible to finish today. Do it. I think I can... Should I do the brainstorming thing? You've been on for like 30 minutes? Yeah, well, I'm doing stuff. I double-checked my code for one thing. And it's only been 23 minutes. FYI. Oh my goodness. She just dropped the goal from 3 to 1. I meant 1 to 3. I'm gonna do 3 personally. I didn't want to put too much pressure on you guys. You're supposed to be the productivity police. Yeah, that's Axel. Make sure there's a line render between line points. Yes. And let's brainstorm the cutscenes for 1 to 3. Doodles shall do. Inspo. How much of a priority is this though? I'm not sure. I'm gonna do 3 as well. Let's do it. Come on. Hey, Polymetron, hey. Hello. Pomodoro is awesome. Yeah, I do like it. I don't use it exactly as intended, but because I kind of skip my breaks. But I like it as a to-do list, at least. Money and her cryptocurrencies. Hey, Manny and her digital pals. I will do some research and see what does a game developer, not game designer, do in a AAA game. Well, from my knowledge, a AAA studio would have like more specific positions in terms of what you're gonna do. Like I knew some people that worked at EA, and they were literally doing like UI on a certain menu. Like that was their day-to-day. Just work on this menu. So it's very, very specific in terms of what kind of tasks you receive and what kind of team you're on. And there's hundreds and hundreds of people working on one game. The game designer would probably be someone who's more senior level on the team. But then again, like, they have to... I wonder if they... Like, there's probably a lot of levels to how the game gets developed, right? There's probably a game director, and they work with the game, like, designer. It might be the same person. Then you have people that are hired for, like, level design. The other day I saw Activision just hiring for level designers. Or just map creators, you know, on Call of Duty. So it's very specific. Okay, anyways, I need to find my last task to do. Okay, I'm gonna put a tiny task, which is... Should I start moving some of the game information onto the spreadsheet? That's kind of easy, though. Let's see. Demo. Prompts for movement control. This might be good, but I don't know if I want to do it today. Deactivate player input on lost focus. Not sure what that means. Hey, Mudbound, what's up? Each person is a small but mighty gear in their giant game development machine. Ah, exactly. Manisha gonna quit Sophia and move to COD. Design as a discipline is usually around story, objective, game flow, system, certain content. There are sub-flavors for sure. Yeah. Demo, what happened to playtest? I'm waiting for my art. Once I have the art in, I will do a playtest, I think. You're pog champing in your chat? I know. Hey, Tappy. What's up? HTML flavored... Oh, HTML favorite COD. Hey. Make your own art. Once the art is in, and the music, and the game. Okay. So today we'll see if I can play... Start to level 12. Was it 12? Smoothly? Because that'll be my new playtest, I think. There we go. Alright, so let's start with this line render thingy. This one to the point, and then level point. New line. This new line. Connect two dots. Might be. What? Okay, let's see if that works. Okay, please work. These two, yes. Okay, these two should be connected. Let's give it a different material though, just so we know it's kind of a blockage. Blockage. Resources. Oh my gosh, my cat's here. Look at him. Why is he so serious? It's funny. He's my manager. Okay, resources. Resources. It's material. Let's duplicate that. And let's make that red. Let's make it orange. Lovely. Here. I also need to do the same thing for the connect 2 points. Velocities. Good. So now it looks like you can't go there. Till. I should have a skip button, right? Where are you? Give me my snippers! Yay! Okay. And this will be like a cool animation, like dun da da da, and then maybe she'll be like, yay! So why does the line render go? It's temporary. Order and layer. Why? How does one who barely goes outside even lose a hat? Probably just hiding in your room somewhere. Oh, I know what else we can do today. I do want to fix the line render thing though. What could it be? Is he out? Is he using Z-Death? Sol Solano, hey! What's going on? Come on, come on, come on. Oh! Default 3D renders. Draw based on their Z. Do they? Yes, they do. Okay. That in mind. Set position. This. We can try a different sorting layer, maybe. Perhaps that will work. Manisha, use a sorting layer and not putting big numbers in the order and layer. I just use a sorting layer. But yeah, I need to make use of that a little bit more. Line render. Didn't even change. Come on, man. Oh, I need it over here. No, why? Okay. Path lines. Oh, my bad. Hold on. It's definitely not the sorting layer then. Batman Robin, hey! I can only do this 148 more times. How's it going? What happened to our Monday nights? Didn't have anything to show again. I wasn't there, but some other people on the Discord chatted about their games yesterday. It's definitely clipping. Manisha YouTube chat isn't up, by the way. What is it? There we go. Cool. I need to find a nicer display for that YouTube chat. Or for both chats, I mean. Cool. We'll just make sure all the level points are defaulted to... Let's try something cool. Let's give this a try. My productivity is so fragile, it can be halted by a hat. Just pretend the hat is somewhere. You gotta gaslight yourself that your hat is still there. Find a new hat. I need to wear the hat inside? Why? No. I don't know, I just like wearing hats. Oh yeah, fair enough. Fair enough. Your productivity is dependent on it. Alright. We're almost done. Well, technically I'm done. I just want to add a little extra. A little extra. I found the hat. Crisis averted. Where was it? You should get a hairband if you need to keep your hair out of the way. Okay, this is wrong. Hanging on the back of my monitor. That's funny. Man, my phone has been dying so quick lately. It's mostly because my storage is full. That's probably why. What is it that takes up all your storage? It's all the cat pictures, obviously. Time to find out if this will work. Wait, LR is the line render. Had acquired, now I have no excuse. Yeah, don't you have your Pomodoro tasks in? The goal is to finish at least 1 to 3 tasks today. My Pomodoro task was to find hat. Nice. I need to make the dialogue thing a little smoother. Literally immediately happened. So. Oh, your bug? Getting a fun bug where sometimes all the text in the inspector just won't render? What the heck? It's kind of weird. What Unity are you using? Unity 6? Disco Trooper, hey! Nice. Cool. We like that little line render change. Although, I don't think our actual art is gonna do anything like that. 6.2.5, stable release. Yikes. Resources. Okay. I'm gonna have to find the email or something. Is it 169? Just check on Google Maps. 308? I don't know. I'm not sure, man. Hmm? Why?
I'm sure this is...
Does it need to be? Let me check. Yeah, 1103. That was probably another place. How many places were we at? Oh, that was the one I was in previously, I think. Is it? Yeah. So that seems fine. Because it's here, 169. Alright. She needed urgent information. I don't know, man. 20. Yeah, we were there like 2 years, right? So probably 2015, 2016. Why not? All right. She doesn't know what her home addresses were in the last 5 years. Is Manisha the oldest? I am the oldest. You didn't tell me I had to be friends with people for 3 days. For the Steam thing? For the Steam gift cards? It's true. Ain't no rush. Young sister energy is strong with that one. Yeah, she's the middle. What happened? Okay, I gotta figure out what this error is coming from, because it's a little bit random. Okay. I'm gonna add another task. Okay, that's pretty much done. Why? Where are you coming from? Is it just this level? Weird. Alright, cool. What was I doing again? Oh yeah. Do 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 do. Come on. Okay. Cool. Let's do a little tween. Could go well or not well. I found a hat and failed to send a Steam gift card on a roll. Don't worry. No rush whatsoever. Oh crap. When you're too good at the game. Nice. Although it should be more of a shake. Do you have a cutoff today? Nope. Time to do as much as possible. But I'm kind of hungry. Low key. Need a snack. I like the punch. Why is this? For what? The ones you signed? Oh, the T4 that you gave us. Your tuition thing? That we took to the accountant. I don't have that stuff, man. Ay, caramba. Hey, Kenny. It should say, like, nice or something, right? Storybook vibes. I don't like how the triangle is so... That's right. Hey! Hello, hello. How's it going? I was gonna be lazy until you ended. Guess I'll actually do work. Go to work, Axel. Should I make the pointer pause? Okay, cool. Lovely. Now let's figure out this issue. Definitely something going on. What did I do? Yeah, I did use this somewhere. Sophia needs the Psyduck head pulled when you fail the minigame. Yeah, she'll definitely have like some kind of emotion. Oh, come on. Find me. Where did I use this? Mine, mine. Think. Seriously? None of these are my script. Mark 42, hello. Alright, we'll get back to that. Those are some nice skates. Yeah. I mean, I've had it come up before. I just don't know if it was being caused by... It's fine. It's only on that level, too. That's why I'm like... kinda weird. Canadian ads, pretty much. Skates. At least your text is still there. Come on, Unity. Unity, why? Okay. Maybe a coroutine didn't stop properly. Let's see if it comes up. We should go, yeah. Fist pump the air. Should we do that? Let's make a quick animation for that. That would be funny. I mean, that's kind of like her end level animation. This pump. Why is Sophia so cute? I don't know. It's just a cutie patootie. Just do one jump. Oops. No? Oh, I didn't call it. Whoops. Duh. And, is the music doubling, or is my head just tired? Is it just too loud, maybe? Getting caught in my mic, perhaps? Oh, sorry. I have my headphones here, but I hate using them. What in tarnation? What was that animation? Oh, also, there it is again. See, something's triggering it on this level. Let's make a path. Anointing. Hello. Whoever does your art, they're good. Yes, Laura. Very, very talented. Fixus Beliscus. Hey, is this game for a game jam? No. Full Steam project. Hello, Hotel Soap. What did I do? Why? It's not good. Uh-oh, something happened to Sophia. Evil Sophia. Yeah. What happened, girl? That's weird. Something with the... Strange. Oh, because she's on a new layer, huh? Because I changed the layer? Probably. Light. There it is. Well, we'll just change it back. Did you finish your pomo tasks? I'm working through them. I saw the word game jam in the title. Oh, I was working on a little tiny game jam game a few weeks ago, but yeah, back to regular scheduling with this game. And yeah, we host a game jam every August, so that's probably what you might have seen. Feel free to wishlist. I would greatly appreciate it. Alright. All is well. Okay, cool. I don't know, like, should I make the vine a little more interesting? The tiny mini game. Like, instead of back and forth. Have you guys played like the have you guys played Dredge? The fishing mechanic? That's actually kind of fun. But this is simple enough, you know? And it works, so maybe we'll just leave it. You don't even have a year on the Steam page yet? Hey, Scuffles! It's a farming mechanic to unblock the path, pretty much. Farming. First, you need to have the snippers. If you don't have them, you have to go find a pair. And then you can use them. So the first time you get it, it'll be from the merchant. So he won't give it to you because you don't have enough level achievements. So let me add a couple. Sophia 2027, please, Axel, do not jinx it. Okay. Now he should be able to give us the. And let's play with controller. Just for testing purposes. Come on. Huh, how come it doesn't type it out? I'm not the one who doesn't have a year on their Steam page. Not yet. I cannot. Are you serious? Ah, this is gonna be awful. Okay. Huh, interesting. So that only happens with controller. Alright, we're done. I think we can keep the vine snipping. It's good enough for now. Okay, let's fix this little bug. Just saw your channel again. Been subscribed for a while though. Cool. Well, thanks for dropping by. Yeah, I've been live streaming a couple days a week on YouTube and Twitch at the same time. Interesting. I want to have that up soon though, and I'll have a release here. I'll put my release here on there once I know. I mean, my goal was this year. What the heck? Shouldn't even execute. Why is it executing? Oh, maybe it didn't save. But I mean next fest. Even if you were to finish it this year. What does that mean? I don't know, man. It's causing me some stress lately, but it should be fine. You have to do next fest, so even if you finish it like November, December, yeah. Oh, I forgot to show Laura this. I need to test Dorian. Perfect. Okay, good. Well, we're done. I'm done my 3 tasks. Ignore the stress, stuff it deep inside you. Literally. I don't know, I was just had so much anxiety yesterday. I don't know what I'm doing. But it's okay. We're chipping away. Brainstorm the cutscenes. I kind of want to just sketch this. Like, I'll probably just doodle it on paper. And then I don't know if this is really a error. Editor error. It's only it's only showing up on level 9. Weird. Let's test if the Elder NPC works. Polybench, hello. Speed up the walk animation, it won't look so floaty then. Yeah, no. Those are all test animations. But I'll have them. Yeah, it looks especially floaty on these long ones. Look. But Laura's actually working in Unity to make sure all our animations are fabulous. So that'll be a nice update soon. Maybe I can clean it up a little bit right now. Player run. Where are you? Speed it up a tiny bit. Love the style. Reminds me of Monkey Island 3. Keep up the good work. Thank you. Mostly puzzle based over here. Let's go test the Elder level so we know the NPCs are working. Yes. Good, 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 good. This guy needs a whole stinking animation. Shouldn't she face him when she's talking to him? It's kind of rude to face your back. I mean, it's not terrible, I guess. But it might add a little something. I took the plunge and updated my current hobby project to a new Godot version. Nothing broke, and I'm somehow disappointed. Looking for an extra challenge. Alright, cool. Yeah, the NPC stuff seems to be good. So should I try to play up to level 12 smoothly? And I guess I'll be ready for a playtest. Yeah. I think I have to make level 12 easier because it's a little bit of a toughie. Spoiler alert. Should we play with sound? Actually, no, the sound's not quite there yet. I mean, we do have Fmod in, but... where is that stuff? Okay, let's just try to play it. And I'll make notes as we go. My little note. Look at this. Nice. Alright, let's see. We got some funny notes in here. Hilarious. Okay. Okay, let's do this. You're using Fmod? We are. Should be fun. Let me show you some of the new tracks that we came up with. Or that Oathr came up with. But we're trying to make like a couple of them a little more fun. Let's see. So the merchant one I'm pretty happy with. Because it's got that quirkiness which I wanted. You guys kind of heard a previous version last week, I think. So this will be anywhere where Doran shows up. Here. Unfortunately, this level doesn't have all the assets in yet, but you get the idea. Actually, hold on. With or without Fmod Studio? The musician's using Fmod Studio to do all the changes, I think. There's gonna be some cool sound effects and stuff, obviously. Dang. Sounds tough. Ugh. And then it should go back into... I told him it feels a little too serious, the tracks. Can you hear this one? It's a little bit softer. I told him it's a little too serious sounding. Fix that bug a little. Pit sports.
It's
Nate's Aid. I like it. Doesn't it feel a little too, like, serious, though? Like, even compared to the merchant track. And some of our other tracks. These are gonna be tricky. Yeah, because, like, listen to some of our other tracks here. Let me show you. For example... Or what's another one? This one? I think this was our original forest track. Like, this is kind of a little more suitable. Rajan Elf, hey! Oh, it's gonna be a toughie. This sounds nice as well. I feel like this one matches like the aesthetic a little bit more. Like the woods are supposed to be a little bit spookier. Wasn't I gonna do something here? Yeah, I should do that. Oh man. This is... How many tracks are estimated at this point? I think... What did I write in that music document? Do, 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 do. Where did I even put that? Here. Did I say 15? I might have. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 12, 13. About 15. Which is not bad, I think. I just went with forest sounds for my game. That's pretty good too. It can be like just ambient. We have a handful of forest scenes. Level 6 or 7 until 12. So about 5 or 6. Ugh, I can't wait to clean up this level. It's just not doing it for me. Need some squishy death animations. Yeah. Like when I had it previously that she would disappear when she got chomped up. But I'm just waiting on how we're gonna do death animations in general. I'm thinking she'll just go ah and like fall in some cases. Just make it kind of comedic. Or like here. Kind of just go whoa. So nothing violent. Anyways, shall we play it from the beginning to level 12? Oathr, hello. What's up? So we'll have the proper pictures here. Oh, out there, hey! What's going on with my... Oh, there it is. It sounds there, but some of my stuff doesn't show up. Strange. Hello, thank you for the sub. Welcome, welcome. Well, at least the music is very low. My bad. Oh yeah, what happened to it? There we go. You've got your layers messed up in OBS too? Gosh. What happened? Wait, what layer is messed up? You're right. Hey. How's it going? What layer did I mess up? Out of curiosity, why did you decide to quit software engineering instead of doing game dev part-time? I was pretty much doing that for like the 5 years that I was working. And I'm like, I'm not really giving my full energy into it. It felt like I was 1 foot in my job, 1 foot in game dev. Neither was getting the full 100% of me. Not 100%, but even a good portion of my energy. And I was sitting at my desk like the entire day, which is pretty bad. Like I would get wrist pain and stuff because I was just doing too much. So I thought like, hey, it's probably time for me to change jobs or try my own thing for a little bit, see how it goes. So that was my mentality. Very, very busy, but good otherwise. Nice. I'm glad to hear that. It was a joke. I have no idea what's happening. I just said it because you're... Come on. Maybe we'll fix this thing today too. Fix the path. The key is to get a nice ergo keyboard, then you can sit all day. Yeah. A nice comfy chair makes the world great. Yeah, no, I did the first hour I was standing. Kind of hard, but it's very, very good. I think I need to replace my chair because it's giving me a hard time. Should we make it flash like red? That might be handy, but I don't know how necessary it is. But it might be good. Write it down. Let's play with controller so I can test it. Actually, yeah, let's do that. Ooh, not good. The joystick pointer is not really... Oh, is it because of this thing? Joystick pointer being whacked. Is it just you doing all the development? I'm doing all the programming and game design. And then we have an artist, Laura, and a musician, Oathr. How did you arrange them working for you? I would say we're basically just all very passionate about the project. They didn't really want to discuss finances until we had like more of a solid idea going. So yeah, it's very nice to have teammates like that. Should we destroy that? Oh, I forgot to time myself. Perfect timing! And he'll have some sound effects and such. Polymetron. Manisha really does inspire me to keep building. One of my best follows on here. Aww. Thank you. Well, I'm glad to hear that. Really. Just gotta keep chipping away. Oh, I'm really... I don't know where my alerts went. Twitch alerts... Oh, there it is. Looks like I hit it. Roy Bot, thank you for the follow. Atrum, hello. How's it going? Going good. Getting our tasks done. Goal was to get 3 tasks done today. So, mission accomplished. Manisha keeps me inspired to be her to release. Do it! Do it if you dare. Yay! Honestly, if I can just make these grids look a little... No, wait! I changed the story! Sophia's supposed to go with them. Oh my god. Whatever. Oh. Yay! Keep grinding, my math is still wrong. Oh no, you can do it. Task getting done is great. Yes. I have a super secret method that may make it possible. I hope I can make the game feel very magical. Ooh. I feel like I should give points or something for the observations, otherwise people will skip over it. And that's why I don't like using the right joystick as the cursor. It's gonna make it hard. Foreshadowing. What's the point of points, though? Was that a reply to me? Not points, but some kind of encouragement to get all the observation points. For example, this one. Like, if you're playing with mouse, it's way easier. This thing. Like, I feel like people won't do this. You know what I'm saying? I think you're overthinking how bad the joystick cursor is. It's not that I think it's bad. It's that I think people are gonna forget because they're so occupied with solving the puzzle. Because I'm guilty of doing the same. Just not looking at any of the observation points. Why would that be different on mouse? I don't know. I feel like when you're on mouse, you're already like maybe hovering through some things. And it's like the same control. I don't know. It feels like it might be different. But let's see. Let's see during the playtest. I don't think I've ever playtested with the observation points, actually. Whew. We need to rewrite the lore a little bit there. I'm actually pretty satisfied with the game so far. Like, it's playing a little bit better than I thought. This is the cursor. Okay, yes. Disable. Disable. Cursor click. If on points. If using controller. Oh no, my JSON file. What happened? What? Weird. Okay, at least we can test the continue now. No, something happened. What? Okay, we definitely have some saving issue. Are you slowing down the speed when the player fails the first time? No, it's just randomized on the precision bar, you mean? It's just random. Game manager. Okay. I have some saving stuff to fix. That's weird that it just bugged out halfway through the levels. What happened? I wonder how much time it took me to get to level 10. Like maybe 15 minutes? Because I knew all the solutions? I'll have to check the VOD. And these vines block points, so we're gonna have to figure out what to do there. Okay. That vine bug. Issue. What is going on? Something about my JSON file keeps deleting itself. What's going on? Something about level 10 was kind of whack too. Start me on level 10, please. Oh. Load level. Really change some of that stuff. Or it should be +1. Checkpoint, why aren't you working? Cool. Rainy day. Oh, snaps. I made this 3. Nice. Oh, and let's add level 11. Just gonna add a little tiny touch of lore. Here. Okay. Blue, red, green. We definitely have to make this level easier. Blue. Shoot. Yay! The heck is that vine doing? Yay! Chapter 2. Mm-hmm. What? Yes. What? Anyways, this is for later. Bedtime for me. Today is stuck day. Aw, yeah, math is hard. But watching Manisha grind, it fills me with determination. Aw. But for tomorrow. All good. Good night. Get some good sleep. And your brain will be ready to tackle the problem tomorrow. Alright, let me time myself this time. Hopefully we can play it without issues. That would be wonderful. I know all the answers though. Right. Let's put something more fitting. Not the vibe though. What do I want to do with this? Hey, Prav, welcome back. Don't want to talk about that. It's a sound effect. Why aren't you clicking? I locked in, but only one task complete, 2 remain. Making progress. Ben, are the spikes locked when you stand on them? You see, we gotta do like another iteration on this because they're turn-based, but they're only dangerous in one of the states when they're up, but it's not super obvious to the player. So you're supposed to step on that spot when they're in the safe states. That's kind of where the puzzles come in. Kind of laggy for maybe because of my OBS. No! Well, it's good to test this at least. Checkpoint? Ooh, the tree is not moving. Huh. I definitely had this programmed, but looks like it got a little weird. Yeah, I'll finish soon. Hmm? Gotcha, so there are several turns safe? Yeah. So depending on what the obstacle is. For the spikes, it's safe, safe, dangerous. Same for those chompers that you'll see in just a second. Tis Leonardo. Hey. No giving hints. Yeah, like I just need to improve the feel of and the user experience of that part, and then I'll be like, I'll literally be satisfied with how the game is going. How much time are we at? 10 minutes, not bad. We're on level... We're on level 7. That's not bad for a demo. And I obviously know the solutions already. That bot Robin. Thanks for the follow. That's funny. Bunch of mushrooms. The river flows calmly, but a trickle of mystery is nearby. Code Recycle, you reminded me that I need to test my hint system too. Yikes. Do I destroy it after I use it? After I click it? You're welcome. I think I need a hint. I need an observation. 8. Okay, good. It's getting a little dark in here. Oh boy. Probably do a cooler animation there. How much time are we at? 15? Are you serious? Hopefully those will be nice to read. And a little bit of lore here, but I don't know what to do. I'll think of something. 3 pages of notes. Feedback for myself. Then I think we'll make this easier by just putting numbers on it. Rabbiteer, good night. Hope people don't get stuck on this one. It's a little bit complicated. Yay! The Dance of Shadows. Wallosaurus, see you later. Thanks everyone for joining today. I'm gonna wrap up in like 10 minutes. Well, I'm kind of done my tasks. I gotta make some dinner. I knew it would be a not very long stream. Endurance. Bad. How many minutes for the demo? Moment of truth. 20 for me, who knew the solutions. I went a little bit slower, but that seems like a good length for a demo, right? Yay? Nay? So, okay, maybe I'll get some playtesters on it tonight or tomorrow. But I want all the art in. And I'll fix a couple of these issues, hopefully tonight. They're very easy. And I'm gonna add a little bit of lore to level 11. Something mysterious. And short. So that should be cool, and should lengthen the content a little bit. A bit more would be nice. In my opinion, short demos are ideal. I think 20 minutes is good, and I knew all the solutions, so I only messed up like once or twice. So I'm thinking for someone who hasn't played it before, it might be like 25 to 30 minutes, which is also fine, as long as they don't get stuck. You know? Manisha, if you need an obnoxious that guy to harass you about Linux support, well, I do have a Linux build because I've been testing it on the Steam Deck. So hopefully that means it works for any Linux machine, right? Yes. Maybe I'll test it on my Steam Deck today. I would ask the playtesters to watch their time if they don't mind. Yeah. I usually ask them to screen record, or I watch them on Discord, stream it, so I can time it. I think with my previous playtests, it was around the same length. But you know, I'll have like the cutscenes done a little bit more. Where did I write the timings? Did I not write it somewhere? Oh, here. Took approximately 40 minutes to play up to 24 levels minus cutscenes. Was my original, like one of my playtests. I think for demo I had like about 15 to 20 minutes, so this seems good. We'll just extend it by a little bit more. Actually, we'll see how the playtesting goes this week. Cool. Nothing will ever work for every Linux machine. Proton works so well these days, and you just add extra work by making a native Linux build. But a Windows build on Linux will run better than a Windows build on Windows. I see. Okay, I'm gonna do a little build for my Steam Deck today. So that should be fun. Let's see. Let's get the Look at all these scenes. They're not all filled in, but there's so many. Let's push all this stuff real quick.